Welcome to Brosco's Guides. Back out here in the kayak. Today I'm doing some topwater fishing with the spider. Brought my lady out today and fishing with my brother as well. Switched up my line. Got some braided line I'm using today. Fish on! Get him, Jaden! She's catching one. It's a topwater bait. Really want to work it across the surface. Witching it. Just like that. Perfect example. Fish in the boat. Half of an inch short. Back to the water.
You want to say hello to camera for that?
Beautiful lady with a beautiful fish. Let's try to get another one, Jaden. He's gone right there. There's a fish. Got him. Nice jump. That's looking like a keeper. Alright, chill out. Splash me. Yes. That's a keeper. Hey, don't splash him like that. I have a fish on the blue stringer.
I don't want to use that one. I want to do it. Oh, that is definitely.
Oh, yeah. You don't want her bait. See if he wants mine. Got him. Ooh, little jump. I think that was another one for the stringer. Couple of same size fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, I don't like when they're splashing me. Get them. Catch them.
Got him.
Yeah, set the hook. Set the hook. When you feel them in their mouth, you gotta swing hard on them. Throwing on the Senko. That fish smoked it. Oh yeah, in the boat. Stringer fish, 100%. Y'all better be friends down there. New Senko. Senko is just the best for fishing topwater through the plants. It has such a small profile cutting through the water. There's a ton of snakes that live around these lakes, and it mimics them snakes swimming through the top of the surface of the water. So throwing that Senko is the best bait you can use. Oh, that was cool. Oh, one's nipping it. Seemed like a little splash. About that time. Oh, I got something small. Oh, there it goes. That fish destroyed it. That's a pike. That's so weird. Catching a pike on a Senko. Very weird. Not a bad one. Get that hook straight out. Everything wants the Senko. Smacked at it. There you got it. That was cool. That was cool. Come here. In the boat. Yes. Right in front of me. That was awesome. I watched him come up, chase it, and smack on it. The same size as the other ones. Oh yeah. We got 4 on the stringer. Oh no. Here comes the splashing. He's jumping. Sun's going down over there. Beautiful. I'm in need of one more bass. There's a fish. Oh, it seems small. It's too small. Back to the water. I'm looking for a giant explosion. Right here, I can get the giant explosion. Nope, not a giant explosion, but a big fish. Got him. Oh, it still seems small. I don't know. He's a little small. I'm calling it. Oh, he jumped on me afterward. This corner hole had 4 hits on it last time. One looked bigger out here. So if it's the same as last time, I didn't land any of them. If it's the same as last time, I should be getting one of them big ones out here. Slowly sneak up there a little bit. Here we go. What? That's right next to me. I do one hand hook set. I don't know about the size of him though. I think he's short. He's definitely short. My hook just broke. New hook is on. It's a rusty hook. Hopefully not too bad. My best bet might be to race back across the lake. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to hoof it. Get there quick. It is getting darker. Time to hoof it. Cruising in. Nice and gingerly. Oh, got a chaser. I'm going to stop the retrieve. Twitch. There's one on it. He's got it. He had it. It must have been small. Hey. You had a giant bass.
And you took the spinner with him.
I caught lots of them. Nothing huge. Got 4 on the stringer. Trying to get this last fish. Jaden had a big old bass. She was putting it on the stringer. She said it was like the other one she caught down the hill. It's dark now. Time to get off the lake. Got 4 keeper bass on the stringer. I'm going to bring them up, clean them, freeze them, fry them up later. Beautiful sunset in the background. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Quick topwater action. Switched up the baits a little bit more than I wanted to, but we made it happen. Catch you later.